Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are an old subscriber, returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling. I'm using my AOA Studio Concealer in the shade Toast as my eyeshadow base. Yes, now we are blending. I'm using that as my eyeshadow base. If you haven't seen my brow tutorial, kindly check it down the description box. Now I'm using my BHA Cosmetics palette. I'm using that shade as my transitional shade. Yes, as my transitional shade. Sweeping in and forth. Yes. Blending there is the key. I'm using the dark pink shade on top of the first shade. Yes. Blend, 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 blend. Blend. Now I'm going back into my concealer to cut my crease. We are doing a half cut crease. So I'm going back into that same concealer to cut my crease. And I'm using my Kiss Beauty setting spray to wet my brush. Then I'm using Makeup Revolution Sugar 2 palette. The silver shade in that palette. Yes, I'm packing that on top. Yeah. Just pack it on top of the concealer. And remember to keep the shape in place. I'm doing same to the other eye. Yes, I'm doing same to the other eye. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you learn one or two things from it. I'm using this army green shade in that same palette to smoke out my outer V corner. Yes. And I'm extending it in my inner eye area to prevent any harsh lines. Yes, blend, 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 blend. I'm going in with a new brush to further blend all the colors together. Yes, it must look seamlessly. I'm going in with my concealer again to clean, to give it this arc shape. I'm using my Kiss Beauty mascara to curl my lashes. Yes. I'll be going in with my Maybelline Master Ink. I love this eyeliner because it's matte and the applicator is very tiny. It's very tiny, so I love it. It dries faster. Yes, these are my lashes for today. I promise on doing a video on how I apply my lashes, but my lazy ass keep delaying it. So I promise to do it one of these days. Yes, actually it's not I'll talk in the next video. Yes, but I promise to do it very soon. Yes, I promise to do it in my next video because I delayed it because I'm having problem with my right eye. I'm using my Catrice Prime. Is it Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base Primer. I love this primer because it fills my pores. Yes, I have pores due to my acne. I have pores, and this acne is unbearable. I'm using LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Cafe and Ebony. So after this application, I realized the foundation was a little bit lighter. I didn't mix it well. But trust me, everything will be corrected soon. Just trust the process. Just trust the process. And my lashes, I can see my left lashes have raised. Yes. So I'm going in with my brush to further blend my foundation. Yes, blending is the key. Just blend, 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 blend. I'm using my AOA concealer, studio concealer in the shade Toast and Toffee. Yes, this concealer seems to dry fast, so after this, I applied under my eye, highlighted under my eye, then I'll blend. After that, then I'll continue again, because if I am to conceal, if I am to highlight all my face, some parts will dry because I have to blend. So I decided to do it. Yes, so after that, we'll continue. Now I'm blending my forehead. I've concealed my forehead. I'm blending it out. Yes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin. Yes. And I'm using this edge. This edge. And I'm going back into my foundation, my my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony to contour my face. I already contoured my forehead, my chin, and I'm going in contour my nose. Yes, contouring my nose. I'm blending that. I'm blending the foundation downwards, and I'm using a new brush to blend my forehead. Blend, blend, blend. Just blend. Just keep on blending. Blend. You have to blend to prevent any harsh lines. Everything to look smooth and fine. Yes. Now I'm going in with a clean brush to further blend my nose. I use the wedge. Now I'm using the brush to blend. I'm going with my Anastasia Luxury Banana Powder to set the areas where I highlighted. Yes, the areas where I highlighted. If you have been following me for a while, you know I have super oily skin, so I usually bake. Yes, I bake with a lot of powder to prevent my makeup from melting, looking oily. So, but in this tutorial, I didn't bake because of the primer I use, and I'm not wearing the makeup for too long, so I did not bake. Yes, I did not bake. I will list all the product down the description box. So I'm setting my forehead. I'm going my chin, my nose, the bridge of my nose. Yes. It's the bridge of my nose. Now I'm using my powder brush to brush the excess powder I'm using Nickak Dual Contour to set the places where I contoured. And I'll be using Nickak Dual um do I blush? Now I'm using my setting spray from Kiss Beauty to set my face. I'm going into my Makeup Revolution highlighter, Makeup Revolution Sugar 2 highlighter, and I'm highlighting my cheekbone. Yes, you see that glow? Highlight my forehead, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose. Yes, I'm going in with a smaller brush to highlight my brow bone. Yes, my brow bone. The lipstick I use is from Classic USA Makeup. I don't know. Classic Makeup. Yes, but I'll list the shade down the description box. So yes, that's my final look. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe down below and join the family. And if you enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up. Bye.